Welcome back, guys. So in the previous video you learned about how to include your styles, how to use it with Sass, as well as if you want to import your style sheets, how you can do that, or if you want to write CSS and JS. We learned all about that. In this video you're going to learn about how to go ahead and include Bootstrap, for example, or some third-party libraries inside of your head tag, or if you want to include any meta tags, how do we use that? Okay. So let's go to our layouts. Okay, so Next.js provides us with a head component. If you look at Next.js head, okay, so on the GitHub they've got pretty extensive documentation which is very similar to what they have onto their site. So if you look at head, populating head, you can see that they're saying that we expose a built-in component for appending elements to the head of the page. So if you want to include any meta tag or title, you can do that inside of the head tag. Okay, so let's do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import head from next/head. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is just on top, you can put it anywhere you want, that's completely fine inside of this. There will be a closing and opening tag of head, and here we can mention title, and I can say next app. Okay, and let's see if that works. So yes, you can see we have a title, next app, and let's say if I want to include Bootstrap, so let's say we say bootswatch.com, and let's say we want this one. Okay, let's say we want this one. So for that, we're just going to include that link. I'll just check the link of this. So it's getting it from here. Edit attribute. If I go to this, sure enough, you've got that available. Of course, you can use a CDN also. You can do Bootstrap CDN and get it from there, but I'm just using it from here. Okay. The idea is to show you how you can put it here. So link tag, well, style sheet, href, and then I can just put it here. So now I've got my Bootstrap included. So you can see that you've got this, and if you do an inspect element, and if you check inside of the head tag, you can see that you have this Bootstrap included. Great, awesome. So let's close this. We don't need this. Let's close this part, and let's go ahead and add our components. So let's say since we're using this theme, I can take this nav bar, okay, and I can just take this, copy this, and now inside of my nav.js, I can just get rid of this style. I don't need that. I'm using Bootstrap now, and I can just replace this entire content with this. Let's get rid of form. We don't need that. Again, we don't need this button, everything. Okay, and we don't need so many links. We just need 2 of them, for home and for about. So we already have the link available here, so all I can do is just wrap this inside of link. Okay, and then href will go here. So this is going to be for home page. You can get rid of this. For now, we don't need it. Okay, and then if you check for this one as well, we should wrap it inside of link tag that Next.js provides us, and href will go here. Okay, and that will be about, and this will be about, and I can get rid of this. We don't need that. Let's have a look. How does it look? All right, that looks awesome. Great. So that's how you will use the head tag, guys. You can see how simple it was. All you have to do is just put the head tag. You can just put it anywhere you want. You can put it in index, but since we are using layout, which I've already explained in my previous tutorials that you can actually use layout so that you don't have to import nav in each and every component. You can just use layout for that component like this, and whatever content you put inside of it will be replaced by props.children. Props.children will be replaced by whatever content you put inside of the layout wherever you import it. Okay, guys. So in the next video, guys, we're going to talk about how to use get initial props. So we're going to go ahead and see how we can render the data over here from, we're going to fetch the data from any of the APIs. Okay, so I'll see you then.